think that looks pretty cool. I made a mistake, but I think it looks fine. So yeah, but just know that I kind of have like it in the works. I'm gonna be working on it. Actually, after I do this, I'm gonna be making notes. If you guys are wanting to start YouTube and you guys don't know like how to start it, my best advice would be, I think like 2 days before I started YouTube, or I watched a video first, because I was like, it's all about the setup, it's all about what it looks like. Like, no, that's nothing like what I wanted to be. Like, I didn't want to be focusing on what my setup looked like. Like, I have my setup here and it's a very cheap setup, but it's not all about that. Because if you guys see my first video, if you guys seen my first video, you guys know that I really wasn't prepared. Like, my lighting was bad, you know, probably the stuff that I was saying wasn't clear enough. It probably made no sense, but I still did it. And also get yourself out of that rut that you think that, you know, you want to be like comfortable on your first video and you want to be yourself, so you're just like okay, I'm gonna do this. You drink like a bunch of water before you start, and then you start, and then you're just like, hi guys. Like, you guys get so nervous. Like, trust me, when I turned on the camera and I started filming that video, I was like that's not even how I talk. Like, I looked down a lot, I was just like everywhere. But if you guys are wanting to start a YouTube channel and all of that, I probably will do a separate video on how I started and what tips I should give you guys. I have like a bunch of friends who are doing YouTube as well, and I think that's just kind of like really amazing, because I feel like I'm not alone and they understand. I already finished the eyes and now I'm gonna get onto the face, because I take forever doing the eyes and I think I really kind of care less about the face. To me, like on me, like I really don't pay a lot of attention to the face, just because like I use so much color and like big lashes on my like eyes, obviously. As I was talking to you guys about starting your own YouTube channel, I think that if it's what you like to do and you want to put it out there and like stuff like that, I think that it's such a great idea. My tips and tricks for you guys will be put maybe when I hit 200 subscribers. Maybe that'll be that kind of video that, you know, celebrating that milestone. I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation. Since I already prepped my skin, I'm going in with the True Match Lumi Healthy Luminous Makeup L'Oreal foundation. Basically looks like this. It's a drugstore foundation. I'm still trying to find out my foundation, what it is, like what I like the most, and I'm just changing foundations a lot, so I'm just dabbing this all over my face. By the way guys, I don't do my makeup as I do it on other people. I'm more cleanliness, like I'm more clean about it, and I'm more you know, precise and, you know, all of that stuff. So I'm just showing you guys like how I do my makeup. I really like am that person that just like, I really kind of don't I do it my own way is basically what I'm trying to say. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just pat it all down. I put on my Instagram that I want to be taking YouTube way more seriously than I am now. And just because like a lot of people tell me, like I post the first like say I post this video and people already are telling me when you're gonna post the next one, and so I feel like it's gotten to that point where people are wanting to watch my videos like more often now than I thought before. And you know, that's how you're gonna feel also if you guys start YouTube. You're gonna feel like the first few videos are gonna be that are gonna be put out from you. Not a lot of people are gonna watch them. For me, I felt like it was a good amount. I feel like I got a really good start is what I'm trying to say. Like my first video was the cosmetology experience, and I did that like not even planning it, not even knowing what I was going to talk about in specific, to be different than other people who talk about cosmetology. But I feel like I got a lot of good feedback. Like after I posted that video, my friends and my family, they told me, even after, I didn't even think that they were gonna do it. Like I just said, like, if you guys want, like, you know, give me some feedback and what I did that you didn't really enjoy, or that you like of the quality of the video, stuff like that. And a lot of people reached out to me and told me, you know, just focus on the lighting and things like this. Like I couldn't really hear you, which they were things that I was like, okay, I need to work on those, because if you can't hear what I'm saying, then that's a big deal. I don't like to go in with a lot of concealer, to be honest. Just mainly on the bottom, or like above my cheekbones. So yeah, I can't wait till I want to do like reacting to my first video when I maybe either move out, or when I hit another milestone. I haven't gone back to my first video because it's kind of still fresh to me. I feel like it was just yesterday that I made that video. And it's just kind of crazy that I started in January. It's already gonna be 2 months, and I think I have came a long way from that video. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that I feel like a lot more myself? I feel that way. I'm so really proud of how the channel is coming, and just I tell you guys though that I am still trying to find out what my niche is, like what I want, what I like to be doing. Like I like doing this. This is new for me, to be honest. I'm just gonna take some bronzer. Okay, so I already finished the blush, and then I'm gonna do the highlighter, which I didn't show you in the beginning, but I'm using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Kit. So if you guys, I know a lot of people don't use this glow kit from Anastasia, so I'm gonna go in, maybe I should go in with the Carly Bible palette first, and then I'm just gonna, in circular motions, I'm just gonna like bring it up. Then I'm gonna go into the other palette, and I don't know if I want like a more like, I don't know, I just kind of like dip into Luna and Eclipse. I should do like a makeup tutorial where how I did my makeup in high school, because it's still pretty. I feel like I should do that for like in June. In June I'll do it because June is when I graduated of 2017. So it's almost gonna be a year, and I think that time flies by so fast. It's gonna be our freaking 5-year reunion as fast as I like. It's gonna like fly by, and yeah, I feel like I should do that for my 1 year of being out of high school. How did you guys like high school? Like, did you guys like high school? Or was it like, it was okay? Or like you guys freaking missed it and you guys want to go back? I'm gonna put some lipstick on. This is the Amuse matte lipstick. A lipstick at the top, but like this is the matte liquid lipstick. Okay guys, well, if you guys made it to the end of this video, then I'm so happy that you guys stayed tuned for the whole video and the whole talk through. This is the end result. I had to do the lips off camera, but this is basically today's look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.